Longson Laser K16 5th generation high-speed laser pipe cutting machine. Equipped with a 170mm high-precision square hole chuck. Overall performance acceleration of over 20%. High coverage solution for over 90% of pipe production and processing. Open modular design. Multiple feeding methods to choose from. 14-second fast pipeline feeding. This equipment can be used to cut various types of pipes such as channel steel, angle steel, and H-beam. The 5th generation intelligent high-speed pipe cutting machine. Realize innovation iteration. Equipped with multiple innovative process technologies. Slag-free cutting. Zero residue of melted slag inside the pipe. Realize a green and environmentally friendly factory. Double chuck zero waste cutting reduces costs and improves efficiency. Save tens of thousands of yuan in material costs every year, directly increasing profit margins. High-speed dynamic rotary cutting, realizing spiral continuous cutting of square tubes. Higher efficiency. No draw system, even beginners can easily get started. AI Plus intelligent pipe cutting equipment enables one person to control multiple devices. Longson's 5th generation high-speed laser pipe cutting machine series. Fully intelligent manufacturing, more efficient, worry-free.